The final Special Tools tab we are going to discuss in this video will be the Audio Tools tab. This is where you will edit the audio you've inserted onto a slide. There are 4 sections to this tool. They are Play, Audio Options, Closed Captions, and Publish. The Play section only has one icon, Preview. This is not the same as the Preview option in the Publish section. When you select Preview in the Publish section, you are previewing how the slide is put together and what it will look like when it is published. The Preview icon in the Play section will only play the audio track you've selected. The second section is the Audio Options section. The first icon, AI Text-to-Speech, may or may not appear, depending upon the source of the audio track. If the audio track you've selected from the slide's timeline was not created and inserted using Storyline's AI Text-to-Speech tool, the icon will not appear. If you did create the audio track using the AI Text-to-Speech tool, the icon will open Storyline's AI Text-to-Speech window. This window is the same window you will use to generate any AI text-to-speech. You will be able to change the AI voice and change the words the AI voice is saying. The audio volume icon will open a drop-down menu where you will see 4 options: low, medium, high, and mute. The next icon is the audio editor. Selecting this icon will open up a window allowing you to edit the track. Storyline's audio editor includes basic editing capabilities. You will see a tall blue line on the audio track. This indicates where in the audio timeline the playhead is currently located. Selecting the import icon will allow you to enter a new audio file at the playhead's location. To use the delete and crop features, you will need to select a segment of the audio, and the 2 icons work opposite each other. The delete tool will remove the portion of the audio you selected, while the crop tool will remove everything except for your selection. The silence icon will open a pop-up window allowing you to insert silence. You will enter amount of time you want, added at the playhead's location. This can be useful on voiceover track, where you need a slightly longer pause between sentences. You also have a volume tool on the editor. This volume tool works differently than the volume tool in the ribbon. Here, you can raise or lower the volume up to 100% of the current volume and have a customized volume level. You can apply this customized volume to the entire track or a selected portion of the track. The View section has 2 icons, Show All and Zoom Selection. Like the Delete and Crop tools, the Show All and Zoom Selection tools also work opposite each other. If you have zoomed into the timeline, either by using the Zoom Selection tool or by using the Zoom feature at the bottom right corner of the editor, you can return to the entire timeline with the Show All icon. If you are trying to edit a specific section of the track, you can select that portion and use the Zoom selection to see only that portion. If you need to change the audio track, whether by completely replacing it with a different audio track or edit a voiceover, you will select the Replace Audio Icons drop-down menu. If you need to save the audio to your hard drive, you will use the Export Audio icon. The third section is the Closed Captions section. Closed captioning is a valuable method to provide an equitable learning experience for those who are hearing impaired, and you should always provide closed captions where possible. Storyline will identify the words that are being spoken on your audio track and include the captions for the learner. The Manage Captions window will translate the audio into captions, where you can adjust how and when those captions are shown to the learner. The Import and Export icons will enable you to upload or save a closed captions file, or you can delete the captions. The last section is the Publish section, where you can preview the material or publish the course. Remember, this preview will show the slide as the learner will see it, while the preview feature in the Play section only plays the audio file.